Hello everyone, and welcome to 𝐭𝐤. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to register an account on 𝐭𝐤. But before we dive into the process, let's take a closer look at what makes 𝐭𝐤 one of the top choices for traders worldwide. 𝐭𝐤 has earned the trust and confidence of over 15 million traders worldwide, who rely on its exceptional trading platforms, advanced tools, and dedicated customer support to enhance their trading experience and achieve their financial goals. Join 𝐭𝐤 today and experience a partnership that lasts a lifetime. Benefit from our highly competitive low fees, outstanding trading conditions, and lightning-fast order execution that ensures you never miss an opportunity in the dynamic Forex market. 𝐭𝐤 has earned the title of Best Forex Broker year after year, thanks to its outstanding services, innovative platforms, and unwavering commitment to delivering a top-tier trading experience. Explore the top trading tools and strategies favored by 𝐭𝐤 traders to enhance your Forex experience and boost your success. These are the top 4 reasons our clients love trading with 𝐭𝐤. 𝐭𝐤 app. Get full access to 𝐭𝐤 services with the top-rated, award-winning 𝐭𝐤 app. Live education. Watch educational videos every weekday and upgrade your trading skills. News and analysis. Stay informed with daily market updates and analysis from the 𝐿 Market Intelligence team. Trading Central. Access analytical tools that will advance your trading decisions. Our results are proven in numbers. Nobody does more to provide you with what you need to maximize your trading potential. 8.5 billion trades have been executed on 𝐿 platforms. 0 rejections or requotes on trades. 90.9% of our withdrawals are automatically approved. Tight spreads. Trade with spreads as low as 0.8 pips. Low trading costs. You can trade on zero commission accounts. Real market prices. Enjoy fair prices with no requotes or rejections. Instant withdrawals. Get your funds securely, 24/7 with no fees. Fund your account safely and securely. Trade with a regulated broker that has built long-standing partnerships with reputable banks to ensure your funds are always secure. Rely on award-winning support. Whenever you need us, we're just a few seconds away, 24/7 in extensive language options. Start trading Forex. Buy and sell the most liquid currencies, like euros, 24/5 with market-leading execution and conditions. Discover 𝐑𝐞𝐯 trading. Trade your favorite brands from Netflix to Apple as 𝐑𝐞𝐯 with competitive conditions and prices. Discover commodities. Trade soft commodities like coffee and sugar with excellent conditions. Discover equity indices. Trade combinations of world-renowned shares with our elite selection of equity indices. Start trading metals. Trade coveted assets like gold and silver with excellent market conditions. Start trading energies. Trade oil and gas variants with low costs and competitive conditions. Start trading thematic indices. Add a new dimension to your trading with thematic indices and take advantage of the most lucrative markets. I understand that your time is valuable, and I won't keep you waiting any longer. Right now, I will provide you with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to help you register for an 𝐿 account with ease. By the end of this process, you'll be all set to start your journey with 𝐿 and dive into the world of Forex trading. Step 1. Click Get Started. Step 2. Select Country of Residence. My country is France. Step 3. Enter your email. Set your password. Step 4. Click Enter here. Step 5. Enter partner code 𝐶TG8M. Sign up with partner code 𝐶TG8M and enjoy amazing benefits. 90% lot rebate, get up to 90% back on your trades. 100% deposit bonus, double your funds with a bonus up to $10,500. $30 no deposit bonus. Start trading with $30 free, no deposit required. Step 6. Tick to agree to the terms and policies of the project. Step 7. Click Register. Step 8. Please check your email. Please check all inboxes and the spam folder. Step 9. Click Verify Email. Congratulations on your successful registration. Please like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more useful videos. I will guide you on how to verify your XM account in the next video.